Fidget trading with my cousin. Okay, you start. Okay, you start. You can put something down first.
Okay, so I'm gonna add this bread.
Oh, that's a really nice bread. Okay, I'm gonna add this definitely not dirty salted butter.
Then I'm also going to add this waffle.
Oh, that's a really okay. I'm gonna do this bear. Do you accept?
I accept too.
Okay. Okay. Next I'm going to put down this squishy green cube thingy.
Okay. I'm going to add this My Melody squishy.
Okay. Could you add, because this is like a different texture than the My Melody, and like the My Melody is kind of hard.
Yeah, it kind of is. So I'm just gonna add this butter squish because it has a nice scent.
Okay, I accept.
Could you add a little more?
Oh, okay. Do you accept?
Maybe a nice smelling waffle instead of that. I mean, a nice smelling squishy.
Okay, waffle.
Okay, I accept.
Me too. So these are the things that I got. I really like fidget trading. And
These
then
are the things I got. Whee!